Good morning, students. We are going to continue with the play Andha Yug by Dharmveer Bharati. Ashwathama. With these hungry claws, I shall strangle Yudhishthira, who cried, Ashwathama is dead. Kritavarma and Kripacharya enter. Kritavarma screams, Let go Ashwathama, it's Sanjaya, not a Pandava. Ashwathama, only kill and kill and kill. So, students, we see that Ashwathama is enraged by the fact that his father Guru Dronacharya was killed in a very deceitful manner by the Pandavas, and he has after this incident he says that he has changed into a beast. He has lost all human emotions and now he is a ruthless beast, and he wants to take revenge on the Pandavas. Kripacharya. Kritavarma, hold him down, hold him down. What kind of soldier are you, Ashwathama? Kill an enemy instant. Sanjaya cannot be killed. He took no sides in the war. He was neutral. So in his fury, Ashwathama is not able to recognize who is the person, and it is Sanjaya, and he thinks that it is some Pandava, and he tries to kill him. So Kritavarma says that he is Sanjaya and don't kill him. Now Ashwathama says, neutral, the word neutral is meaningless. I am no soldier, I am a beast, a wild and ferocious beast. Whoever is not with me is against me. So now we see the transformation of Ashwathama from a normal person, compassionate person, to a ruthless person, and he says that I am now a ruthless beast and you don't talk to me about these things. There is no such thing called neutrality, and anybody who is not with me is against me and is my enemy, so I'll kill him. Kritavarma, you are insane. Sanjaya, you must leave at once. So Kritavarma realizes that Ashwathama is not understanding what he is trying to say, so he says to Sanjaya to go away. And now what Sanjaya says? No, do not spare me, I beg you. Kill me, Ashwathama. Release me from the torment of telling the truth to the blind. It is better to be killed than to suffer this anguish. Kill me, Ashwathama, and release me from this torture. Now, such moving and such poignant lines by the character of Sanjaya, when he says that he feels so sad and he feels so pained that he has been given the boon of immortality, and he says that he wants to die, and he says to Ashwathama, just kill me Ashwathama, because I want to get rid of this painful experience. And so there is so much pain in both the characters, and all the people who were involved in the war got so much of pain in return, and that is the basic message that the writer wants to give in this play, that nothing comes out of war. No positive thing comes out of war. Only pain comes out of war. So all the characters, even if they have the boon of immortality, or whether they were victorious or whatever, but they had so much pain in them. If you look at the character of Ashwathama, he is pained so much. If you look at the character of Sanjaya, he is pained so much. And Sanjaya is again and again saying that why he has been given this boon of immortality, because he does not want to live, and he asks Ashwathama to kill him. So that is the just the dialogue between these characters that we have studied. We'll study further tomorrow. That is all for today. Thanks.